getting poured on.
Water moccasin?
Oh my gosh, I cannot believe I just swam. I just swam with a water snake. Here's our camping spot. Oh my gosh, we are in Michigan! Real life scenario of us running away from the rain. Look at how big those clouds are. Honestly, there might be a tornado in there. We're not really sure. Oh no! But we're just like biking really fast right now out of like adrenaline slash, I don't know, because storms are gonna move faster than us. But, I don't know, but they're huge, so that's just all I want to show you. It's not raining yet, but that was lightning. Oh, you saw lightning? It's coming, LNSP.
It's already like over us, like. Yeah. Like look.
Guys, 2 minutes later, the skies have opened and it's pouring, and we didn't get to safety fast enough, and we're still on the road. This is insane. I'm just gonna embrace being wet. Okay, yeah, are we going somewhere or are we waiting it out? Oh, no, I'm already soaked! It's been 2 seconds! Guys, this is day 3 of getting poured on. There's only one way to go across the country though, biking. You have to bike. Like, you can't just stop every time it rains. You'll never get there. Update, we made it through the storm. There are no clouds. It all blew over this way. We did not stop biking. We are absolutely soaked. John Mark is like drying out his shoes, but we had to stop at a gas station to fill up some water bottles. We are currently in the middle of what state? We are currently in the middle of Wisconsin. Hi. Took our shirts off because it's hot, humid, and they were wet from a storm that now looks gorgeous outside.
What kind of snake is that? A water moccasin?
Oh my gosh, I cannot believe I just swam. I just swam with a water snake.
That's a big one.
Get out of here, snake.
Hang on. Wow.
That is gorgeous. All right, we just went swimming and now we're headed to this guy's house who we met at the park, and he like offered us his yard. So we're on our way there. I went swimming with that gorgeous sunset. As you can see, my hair's all wet. I'm not wearing my bike shorts. I'm just kind of cruising. We only have 2 miles to go. Probably 1.5 by now. But we're going through town. Green light! A yard. We're so excited for a yard, but he did offer us a shower and a bathroom, but I kind of already took a shower because I went swimming. Also, minor detail, right after I went swimming, I saw a huge water snake. It was like 2 to 3 feet long, and it was chasing the ducks. I have a picture of it, and I'm so glad that I saw I'm so glad that I saw the snake after I went swimming instead of before, because otherwise I probably wouldn't have gone swimming. But minor detail. Another green light. Also, when I was changing after my swim, I was changing in front of the river, and a guy came by on a kayak. Slowing red light. A guy came by on a kayak and saw my butt. And we're going to his house now because he talked to Ellen, and so it's gonna be embarrassing. It's just gonna be a little embarrassing. Ayo! Yeehaw! It's gonna be a hot one today in Wisconsin. It's already probably like 85, 80 degrees, and it's 10 a.m. Homeward bound. Okay, we're at a gas station in Wisconsin, and this is to clean your fish, literally in the gas station. Oh. Here's our camping spot. Right next to a really busy road and a company in the woods. We are headed to the boat today. We're headed to Manitowoc, Wisconsin to get on the boat and head to Ludington, Michigan. So, headed to home state. I'm excited. John Mark, how do you feel about making it to Lake Michigan?
I think that the water is very brown.
Positive only, positive things only.
That's a cool submarine.
He wants to check that out.
I would like to get a closer look. And I think it's very cool here, temperature-wise. I like that a lot.
We're done for the day. We're about to get on the boat ride. I personally just feel a little bit closer to home, knowing it's like my home state lake. It's kind of emotional, honestly, knowing that we bike from the ocean to like my home state lake. It's just crazy. That's Lake Michigan over here. This is just a bay. It's just like, oh my gosh, we've gone so far. See you soon, Ludington, Michigan. There's our boat. So right now we're waiting in line to put our bikes on the boat. Right, we are taking off in Wisconsin. Boat keeps smashing against the edge. Come look at this. It's like we're stuck.
Yes.
Playing euchre, almost to Michigan. We'll be there. We'll be there in like 15 minutes. Oh my gosh, my watch changed to Eastern time, guys. That's so exciting. We've been in so many time zones, but this is my home state time zone. That's exciting. Okay. Clubs are led, so I have to leave my club. Hello. Yeehaw. Hello. We are in Michigan. A lot of our crew. Mom is here. Here's the boat. Quite the boat. Okay, I have a 3-mile bike ride.
It's going on 10, honey.
Okay.
It just is the way.
Okay.
I don't know how to get back.
Okay.
But I'm gonna go
This way.
Okay, but Dad, I'll see you in 3 miles.
3 miles. Pizza's coming soon.
Hello! Hello!
There's the Sangers. There's the Sangers. Bye-bye.
Hi, kids. Hi.
How's the pizza?
It is so delicious. Thank you, Mom and Dad.
Thank you.
Happy to be in Michigan.
All good.
Mm-hmm. How many